Welcome to AIStockAPP training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use all images, horizontal images, vertical images, vectors, and illustration in AIStockAPP. Go to left menu and click on all images. Now you are on all image sections. You can search images by keyword. And your search results are here. You can download it. You can also edit it. If you want to edit the image, click on the Edit button. Now you are on the image editor. You can edit your image with a vast variety of tools with our image editor. Once you have done editing, click on Apply, then click the Done button, and you can save your edited image in your local storage with desired format and quality. For portrait images, go to left menu and click on Portrait Images. Now you are on Portrait Images section. You can search portrait images by keywords. All of your search data is here. You can download it or edit it. For horizontal images, go to left menu and click on Horizontal Images. Now you are on the Horizontal Image section. You can search horizontal images by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can download it and also edit it. For vectors, go to left menu and click on Vectors. Now you are on Vectors section. You can search vectors by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can download it or edit it. For illustration, go to left menu and click on Illustration. Now you are in the Illustration section. You can search illustration by keywords. All of your search data is here. You can download it or edit it. Thanks for watching the video.